What if one small change to your daily plate could protect your body from one of aging's silent threats? Muscle loss. Every year after age 50, we lose up to 1% of our muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. But here's the good news. Your fork can fight back. In this video, we reveal 7 powerhouse foods that naturally fight sarcopenia, helping you stay strong, active, and independent as you age. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for weekly wellness tips tailored to healthy aging. Let's jump in. 1. Lean beef, muscle mass champion. Imagine this, a plate of sizzling, lean beef, perfectly seared and tender. It's not just a mouth-watering meal, it's your body's best ally in the fight against muscle loss. Lean beef is a true muscle mass champion. Why? Because every bite is loaded with high-quality, complete protein, rich in the essential amino acids your body craves to rebuild and maintain muscle, especially as you age. As we get older, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. But lean beef directly counters this decline. It fuels your muscles with creatine, a compound naturally found in red meat that enhances strength and energy during physical activity. But the benefits don't stop there. Lean beef is a top source of vitamin B12, which keeps your nerves firing and your muscles responsive. It's also rich in iron and zinc, minerals that support oxygen flow and tissue repair. Key players in endurance and recovery. Whether you're grilling, sautéing, or slicing it into a salad, adding lean beef to your meals means more than just flavor. You're giving your body a powerful tool to resist age-related muscle loss, stay strong, and feel vibrant. So if you're looking for a simple, delicious way to reclaim your muscle strength, lean beef belongs at the top of your grocery list. 2. Tempeh, the fermented strength secret. In the heart of traditional Indonesian kitchens lies a humble, fermented treasure that's making waves in modern muscle health. Tempeh. Often overshadowed by more familiar protein sources, tempeh is a quiet powerhouse and a best-kept secret for preserving muscle strength, especially for those choosing a plant-based lifestyle. What makes tempeh extraordinary isn't just its high protein content, it's how the fermentation process transforms soybeans into a digestible, nutrient-dense superfood. Fermentation breaks down anti-nutrients, unlocking amino acids and making it easier for your body to absorb what it needs most to fight sarcopenia. Tempeh is a complete protein, meaning it delivers all 9 essential amino acids, just like meat does. These amino acids are crucial for maintaining and rebuilding muscle tissue, especially after physical activity or during periods of aging-related muscle decline. But there's more. Tempeh is rich in calcium, magnesium, and iron, minerals that not only support muscle contraction and relaxation, but also enhance bone density and oxygen delivery to muscles. That's a triple win for anyone aiming to stay strong, mobile, and resilient well into their golden years. And let's not forget gut health. The natural probiotics in fermented tempeh can improve digestion and nutrient absorption, giving your body the upper hand in muscle recovery and daily energy levels. Whether you cube it for salads, pan-fry it as a hearty main, or blend it into wraps, tempeh isn't just food, it's a strategy. A daily reminder that strength doesn't always roar. Sometimes it ferments quietly, preparing you for a more powerful tomorrow. 3. Avocado, the healthy fat your muscles. Love creamy, delicious, and deceptively powerful. Avocado isn't just a trendy toast topper. It's a muscle-nourishing marvel, offering the kind of support your body craves as you age and battle muscle loss. At first glance, avocado may seem like a simple fruit, but within its buttery texture lies a complex cocktail of nutrients that support every stage of muscle maintenance and recovery. Let's start with healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats. These fats don't just support heart health, they also help reduce chronic inflammation, a silent enemy of muscle function and regeneration. With less inflammation, your muscles can recover faster, stay more flexible, and respond better to exercise and movement. But that's just the beginning. Avocados are a potassium powerhouse, offering even more preserving than bananas. Potassium is vital for muscle contractions, fluid balance, and preventing painful cramps, especially after physical activity or long days on your feet. Even more impressive is avocado's rich fiber content, which promotes stable blood sugar levels. This matters because wild swings in blood sugar can disrupt energy supply to muscles and weaken overall endurance. Balanced blood sugar equals sustained muscle energy throughout the day. Plus, with its generous doses of B vitamins, vitamin E, and magnesium, avocado supports everything from nerve function to cellular repair, creating an environment where muscles don't just survive, they thrive. Whether you blend it into a smoothie, spread it on whole grain toast, or toss it in a salad, this fruit is more than just tasty, it's tactical. A small daily dose can help your muscles stay active, alert, and age-resistant. 4. Tuna, omega-3s for stronger aging. When it comes to building and preserving muscle as you age, protein is only half the equation. Enter tuna, a sleek silver swimmer from the deep, packed not only with lean protein, but also a rare strength-preserving treasure, omega-3 fatty acids. These omega-3s are not your average fat. They're a powerful ally in the fight against sarcopenia, the age-related decline in muscle mass and strength. Tuna is one of the richest natural sources of EPA and DHA, the two main types of omega-3s. These nutrients calm chronic inflammation, a key driver behind muscle breakdown in older adults. By reducing this silent inflammation, your muscles can repair more efficiently and maintain their size and function longer into life. But tuna's benefits don't stop there. Each serving is loaded with high-quality, complete protein, delivering all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need for repair, recovery, and rebuilding. Especially after movement, workouts, or daily exertion, tuna is also rich in vitamin D and selenium, two often overlooked nutrients that play a major role in maintaining muscle coordination and immune defense, both of which tend to decline with age. And here's something surprising. Studies suggest that omega-3s may even increase the body's sensitivity to muscle-building signals, like exercise and dietary protein. In simpler terms, they amplify your efforts, so every healthy habit pays off more. Whether you enjoy it grilled, seared, or straight from the can, tuna is a no-fuss, high-impact food for anyone serious about aging with strength, vitality, and confidence. 5. Lentils, the muscle-building legume. In the world of muscle building, one humble food often gets overlooked: lentils. But these small, unassuming legumes are quietly making a massive impact, especially for those seeking plant-powered strength as they age. Lentils are packed with plant-based protein, offering nearly 18 grams per cooked cup. While they're not a complete protein on their own, pairing them with whole grains like rice or quinoa makes them a powerhouse combo, delivering all the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. But here's what sets lentils apart in the battle against sarcopenia. They're also rich in iron, a mineral crucial for oxygen transport in the blood. Without enough iron, your muscles don't receive the oxygen they need to function at full capacity, leaving you feeling weak, tired, and more prone to muscle loss. Lentils also deliver a hearty dose of magnesium and folate, nutrients that support nerve function and cellular repair, both vital to maintaining muscle coordination and strength with age. And don't underestimate the power of fiber. Lentils are loaded with it, helping stabilize blood sugar levels and support gut health, which plays a surprisingly big role in nutrient absorption and inflammation regulation, both crucial for keeping muscles resilient. Whether you toss them into a salad, simmer them in a soup, or shape them into veggie patties, lentils offer a budget-friendly, versatile, and sustainable source of nourishment that helps your muscles stay strong, even as the years roll on. This mighty legume proves that strength doesn't always come in a flashy package. Sometimes it's found in the simplest, earth-grown foods. 6. Cottage cheese, the nighttime muscle builder. While most people focus on what to eat during the day, they often overlook a powerful opportunity for muscle growth that happens while you sleep. That's where cottage cheese steps in, the unsung hero of overnight muscle repair. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting powerhouse that releases amino acids gradually over several hours. This extended release is ideal for nighttime, when your body shifts into repair mode, healing tissues, building muscle, and recovering from daily strain. Just 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese delivers around 25 grams of protein, enough to fuel overnight muscle synthesis without weighing you down or spiking your blood sugar. But it's not just about protein. Cottage cheese is also a source of calcium, phosphorus, and selenium, nutrients that support bone health, cellular repair, and antioxidant protection, all vital for aging adults fighting sarcopenia. What makes cottage cheese particularly effective for older adults is how it helps preserve lean muscle mass, especially when paired with resistance training. Studies have shown that a nighttime serving of casein-rich protein can significantly enhance overnight recovery, giving your muscles the raw materials they need exactly when they need them most. Whether enjoyed plain, blended into smoothies, or topped with fruit and a drizzle of honey, cottage cheese is a smart, easy addition to your evening routine. It's a simple ritual with powerful results. Wake up stronger, not sorer. 7. Pumpkin seeds, the strength snack. The final food on our list may surprise you with its power-packed nutritional profile. Say hello to pumpkin seeds, often overlooked as a mere snack, but in reality, a strength-boosting superfood that can do wonders for your muscles, especially as you age. These small green seeds are a nutrient-dense powerhouse, offering a rich combination of protein, healthy fats, fiber, and essential minerals like magnesium, zinc, and iron, all of which play a pivotal role in muscle recovery, function, and growth. Magnesium in particular is key for muscle relaxation and contraction, helping you avoid muscle cramps while ensuring that your muscles function at their best. Zinc, another key nutrient in pumpkin seeds, is essential for immune function, protein synthesis, and wound healing, all crucial elements in maintaining muscle health as you age. What sets pumpkin seeds apart is their high concentration of healthy fats, specifically omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which have been shown to help reduce muscle inflammation, accelerate recovery, and support joint health, essential for preserving strength and mobility over time. These tiny seeds are also packed with antioxidants, which help fight the oxidative stress that accelerates muscle aging. When you incorporate pumpkin seeds into your diet, you're giving your body the tools to combat muscle breakdown and keep your muscles vibrant as the years go by. Whether you enjoy them on their own as a snack, toss them into salads, or sprinkle them over a smoothie, pumpkin seeds are the perfect, easy-to-carry snack for keeping your muscles fueled, reducing inflammation, and aiding recovery, making them a perfect addition to any muscle-building routine.